Here's my fireworks stash for 2012. Alright, starting off, we got some punks. We got 3 punks. The only reason we got 3 punks is because these punks are supposed to last up to 30 minutes. 30 minutes of punks. One is 30 minutes. It's pretty long. And then over here we got a lighter. I know it's pink, but it's what I was able to buy. It was a cheap one, but it still came with a fuse. Fuel. All the fireworks that I have here are from State Line, and these are the best deal. I only spent $250 on them, so. And then we got, they gave me this free flashlight called State Line. It's a State Line on it. It's pretty darn bright. So, starting off, we got some California large rocket fountain. There should probably be some good ones. Good fountains. And then right here we got, can't leave a store without Roman candles. 10-shot Roman candles. And then over here we got, it's pretty usual. You see it all the time at fireworks stores. It's called bottle rockets. We got over 600 bottle rockets. And you wanna know how much we spent at State Line for bottle rockets for 600 of them? $8. Yeah, that's cheap. And over here we got, I shot off a bunch of bottle rockets already, and none of them were duds. None of them. And then over here we got artillery, festival balls, artillery shells. I got 2 of those. Here, let me open them up. Let me set you down real quick. This is what they look like. Very nice sized. So that the top was easy to come off. Tie it back on. Then over here we got a butterfly and flowers. It's another fountain. And we got jade flowers, another fountain. We got Southern Night, another fountain. And we got another fountain called Carousel. And then we got some 30-pack of ground bloom flowers. And then we got another fountain called Pyro Fan. That. And we got 2 packs of flashing fountains. And we got 2 things of Pop Pops. These are so loud. Then we got a thing of rainbow trout. And then we got 2 things of June bugs. And then we got lightning flashes. And we got some solar flares. And then now we're gonna get into the bigger stuff. Alright. Now we got a cake, hard to beat. Nice size cake. There's a little difference between these. This is a 96-shot flower, the color pearl flower with report. And then we got this other one, a 96-shot color pearl, which the only difference is this one with the flower has a fountain in the middle. So, man, this is so small. I don't even know how they're able to put 7 shots into this. Look at that. It's a small little cake. It's a 200 gram. It's pretty nice. And then we got cover your ears, another small cake. Yeah, and look at the price. It's you might not be able to read that. It's $4.98. And then we got another small cake. Add it again. And then another small cake, dark ghost. And then you can't leave a store without your Saturn missiles. I got 2 of those. And we got a bigger cake, purple haze. And then we got another cake called Reckless. Tubes are, that's a tube right there. It's about the size of my finger. And then we got another fairly nice size cake called Mighty Cobra. That. And then we got another cake called Frenzy. Frenzy is good. They changed the name of it at State Line. It was called Wildfire, but it's Frenzy. Now, I'm guessing because it was awesome. We got 2 of those. And then we got another cake called Color Me America. That. And this one, I got it for the kids. It was cheap. It's for the kids. Happy Planet 36 shot. And then we got another cake called Hoosier Night. And then over here we got the 3 biggest cakes I have. I personally bought all of this. And here it is. Alright, starting off, we got Mind Games. It's an angled repeater cake. Let's see. Oh yeah. $60 for this. Yeah. And then we got this 500 gram for free called Stay On. I think I might put this one into my finale. And then our biggest, baddest, best one of all is called Fighting Rooster. It's a 30 shot. It is so good. It's really good. $50 for this. Pretty good. And I'm just gonna scroll through them all. So. I didn't get the biggest stuff this year. I know it wasn't the best stuff this year, but it's all I could afford, $250. I did have more money that I was going to spend, but my parents said, probably want to save that money for next year, because this year I was trying to just kind of get used to it, because this is my first year making a show. Yeah. Next year, I'm going to go all full throttle. Oh, good. So, it's not the biggest stash, but it's enough. So, see ya.